Welcome back, everybody. I've been doing a few projects. I didn't record the process because it's pretty hard to record and do all this because you get glues on you. What you do is you get some of this 3M adhesive. Say your headliner in a 90s car or something you drive around, falls down. You pull the foam or the material off of it. Underneath there's like the foam that falls all apart in your eyes. Once you take your headliner out is when you do the process. You don't pull it apart in the car. Get it out first. Take apart the interior parts, and then get your liner out. And you peel that stuff off. Rub all that foam off of it. And after you do by hand, bang it a few times, get it all off. Take a wire brush and do it without ruining this because it really comes apart easy. It's made of fiberglass, like fiber material. And it's yellow, the whole thing you can see underneath. And rub all that off with a little bit of a wire brush. And then all that foam stuff's off it and it'll be down to the yellow. You spray a little adhesive over the whole thing, let it set for a few seconds, it'll get sticky. Layer material to where you can see the back side of it, like so. You're gonna spray your headboard and then the material and slowly lay it over it, like this, as you stretch it and rub it to get everything out of it, to make sure as you're laying it, you're slightly like stretching it so it comes tight like this. And then you have everything hidden all behind the back side you see and glued. And you have a perfect headliner in there, or whatever you're upholstering. Even a door panel. Say you wanted to lower the door panel, top all comes apart, upholster it just like this. Spray the whole panel. Make sure you clean it real good first. Then the back of the little bit of the material. You know what I mean? Spray the edge. Like, watch, we'll actually even do this. See it? Okay. Now, a little bit on the cardboard. Now, we're going to take these two edges and we're going to combine them like this to where it starts, See how it starts to stick? Now watch. This represents my headliner. This represents the headliner here. See it start to build up and turn to a white. That's all I want. And then a little bit like this. See it builds on the fiber. That is very sticky. Doesn't seem like it. It's very, very sticky now. Now all we're gonna do is just stretch rub it up. See, like that. As we roll it over the material. Now you can see it's stuck to it very well. Now we're going to trim off our excess, just like if it was our headliner there. You'd let it set a second before you do this. I'm just doing it faster a little bit for you guys. And that way, it's nice and stuck and you're not trying to re-pull the material up. It's easier to do it not on camera as well. Doesn't matter if it's perfect form. A lot of people care. I do a little bit. I just like to cover it though. Make sure it's good. What's on the back side doesn't have to be perfected. Now, once again, see the overlay? You're using this side. All this overlay, you missed, do not get it on the front. You'll be sorry. See? Just like so. Okay, they're just barely misted. That's all you need. Now you roll this over without getting it on your hands so you don't spread it to the front somehow accidentally, because that is the #1 screw up when you're using this style. Done. And a lot of people, like say it's a piece of wood, you're going to take a couple of staples, or you could put a thin strip of wood glue on across there and just tat, you know what I mean, where it don't come through the front, so it's really good and held. But this stuff usually rarely comes off if you use good 3M adhesive glue. Now see, this doesn't look like much, but now imagine if I had a little square in the interior I needed to cover, and you click that in, man, no one would ever know the difference other than you. See what I'm saying? And it's a really nice velvet material. Look at that. Beautiful. See, that's what this is. That's how I fix the headliner. It's that easy. And then this goes up, and all your trim's going to hold around the edge, in so far. and it's all glued back to brand new. It's on there, you're good to go. So that's a trick. That's how you can upholster your headliner. I'll throw some more videos out here soon. I got a few things coming up. I got the whole front clip for the C10 done. That's where I've been at. I've been really busting ass on that because we're coming into pollen here in Michigan. So I'm trying to get that done so I don't have nothing flowing into my shop.
Here I am where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's probably left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the spark in city light when it's day to night? That's the sparkles from my